Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to unlock a phone without spending any money. That's right, absolutely free. I'll guide you step by step on how to unlock any smartphone, no matter the brand. First, let's understand that there are three types of unlocks. Network unlock. This allows you to use your phone with any SIM card from any service provider in any country. Factory reset protection or Google account lock. This is useful if you bought a phone that has a cloud-based lock from the previous owner. Passcode unlock. This helps you access your device if you've forgotten the passcode or security pattern. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. We will only use legal methods and no hacking tools. I'll show you free and ethical solutions with no illegal activities involved. So, let's get started. To unlock your phone from any carrier, remove the passcode, or perform a factory reset protection unlock, you'll need to find your phone's IMEI number. It's super simple. Just grab your phone, open the phone application, and dial *#06#. The IMEI number will appear on your phone screen. Now I will show you exactly how to unlock your phone. So, let's get started. On this website, we will unlock your phone from the carrier. You only need to provide some information, including the exact phone model, the IMEI number, the number we obtained earlier by dialing *#06#, and the email address where you will receive the notification that your phone has been unlocked. For the factory reset protection unlock, you will need to access this website. Here, you will need to complete a form with your phone model, IMEI number, and email address. To bypass the screen lock pattern, password, or PIN on your phone without losing data, you can use this free service on this website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.